Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Apple iPhone 16 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Apple Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, and now click on this icon to download this app. Now click open, then click agree. Now you can close this ad, and here click allow, and now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click allow again. Now you have to enter your passcode, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.